18-wheeler in here. Welcome. Yeah, why? What's a good starter truck? I'll tell you what, I don't really get into the loyalty of, Freightliner, Kenworth, or Peterbilt. The best starter truck for you is one you can afford. Decent mechanical condition, or, something you can fix. Something that's efficient. If you want a long hood Pete and it's what you've wanted your entire life, I don't have a problem with you going and getting it. Just know the costs that come with it. You're hamstringing yourself right off the bat with bad fuel economy. And it's hard enough to make it in this business and industry and world without hamstringing yourself right off the bat with bad fuel economy, bad aerodynamics, and a high
Yep.
payment. So the best starter truck is get what you can afford, economically makes sense. Here we're talking about starter trucks here, Cash. I told him, best one is what he can afford, good mechanical condition. Start off right away. Don't hamstring yourself with bad fuel economy. What, you got anything to add to that?
No, that's the big ones. That's the big three. Can you afford it? Is it in good mechanical condition? And is it? I like a good fuel efficient truck. It's like a bonus every year.